Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Thanks for being here with me today. These are my colours. This one is one of the new TLP colours. This one is Rad. It's one of the neon range, one of the disco piggies, and it's a really bright cherry red. Gorgeous. So I'm going to put with that another one in the disco range, another neon. This one is Mosh, also by TLP. And another from the neon range, this one is Funk, Neon Violet. So very bright one today. And another TLP, this one is Show Pony. This one has some shimmer and that one is too thick. So these three are all opaque. I think they're opaque, but they haven't got any shimmer. They don't have mica. They're I don't think they have mica. I think they're synthetic. They're just pigments. And this one is Golden's Interference Gold. Excuse my dog whining. I don't know which one. One of the two. Cell Activators. This one is Atelier Rich Gold. They're with their dad, they're not on their own. And this one is Atelier Blue Black.
Overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, my homeless soul. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul.
My hunger, all you need is
is my pain. Nothing in between, ever met you lost. When you were born there was thunder, fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression. If we met in a year or two, would you set your eyes on me? Wear your heart on your sleeve, nothing in between. Well, come back, caress. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression. Some say love must hurt to count. Some say love must hurt to make a difference. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression. Come back, rain. Quiet this. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess.
I was really happy with the actual flower, but I didn't like that expansive black near the stem. Too much, couldn't get any cells to come up through it, so just needed a little bit of embellishing. And also some of the cells above the black went a bit elongated as I tilted and spun, so I used some acrylic pens. I'll put all the details in the description box below. I used black, gold and pink, 2 different pinks, just to do a little bit of embellishing. So I hope you like it, and thank you all for sticking to the end. And as I said, everything you need to know is listed in my description box below, with the details to the Shelley Art e-course and the 15% discount code, where you can get the new TLP pigments from. Everything's listed below. So everyone, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.